Seminar on Unlocking Funding Opportunities, the Art of Research Proposals and Grants, organized by the Research and Development Cell of our college. A prayer song is a song specifically composed to express devotion or petition to a higher power that directly addresses God or deity, conveying praise, supplication, thanksgiving, or seeking guidance. Let's rise up for the prayer song.
இருக்குண்ணா பிடிங்க தள்ளி தள்ளி First person.
On the days of the days, very good afternoon to 1.5% over here. I take immense pleasure to stand in such a valuable occasion to propose vote of thanks. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the correspondent madam of this institution, Bharat Vidya Shiromani, Dr. Vasantha Sudhanandan, who always serve as a source of inspiration in all our initiatives. Thank you, madam. I also equally extend my deep gratitude to the chief guest of the seminar, Dr. N. Vijayan, Senior Principal Scientist, CSIR, National Physical Laboratory, for sparing his valuable time among us and for his support in writing of research proposal and conference grants. Thank you, sir. I take honor in widening my thanks to the M.E. Devi Segamani St. Jewelers, Erode, for his valuable presence and significant speech. Thank you, sir. I extend my sincere thanks to the principal of our college, Dr. M. Ramesh, who is the source of motivation in our journey towards academic excellence. Thank you, sir. On this occasion, I would also like to thank Program Coordinator Dr. D. Dababadi, HOD AAA, all the heads of various departments, and my colleagues for the grand success of this program. Thank you once again.